Today's discussion at My Sales Job focuses on coaching and mentoring for sales managers and senior sales executives. Sales professionals must develop this skill to advance in their careers. Effective coaching and mentoring are essential requirements for leading a sales team, and sales managers must possess these skills both currently and in the future. Coaching is a short-term process that focuses on improving specific skills or behaviors. Sales managers can coach their team members by providing guidance, feedback, and training to help them improve their performance in specific areas. The focus could be on improving sales techniques or communication skills, for instance. Coaching aims to enhance the skills of team members and help them achieve their goals. Coaching typically involves setting goals, creating action plans, and measuring progress. Mentoring, on the other hand, is a long-term process that focuses on developing a person's career and overall growth. Sales managers who act as mentors provide guidance, support, and advice to their team members to help them achieve their career goals. Mentoring involves sharing knowledge, experience, and insights to help ments develop their skills and expand their perspectives. In summary, coaching is focused on improving performance in specific areas, while mentoring is focused on overall career development and growth. Both coaching and mentoring are important for the development of sales managers, and they can be used in combination to help sales professionals reach their full potential. Here are some of the key skills and attitudes that sales managers and senior sales management should possess to be effective coaches and mentors. 1. Strong communication skills. They need to be able to communicate clearly and effectively with their team members, to provide feedback, offer guidance, and motivate them to perform at their best. 2. Active listening. Good coaches and mentors listen actively to their team members, to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. This helps them provide personalized guidance and support. 3. Empathy. Effective coaches and mentors need to be able to put themselves in their team members' shoes, to understand their perspectives and motivations. 4. Patience. Coaching and mentoring can be a long process, and it may take time for team members to make progress. They need to be patient and persistent in their efforts to help their team members improve. 5. Knowledge of sales best practices. Effective coaches and mentors should have a deep understanding of sales best practices, and be able to share that knowledge with their team members. 6. Ability to set goals. They should be able to work with their team members to set realistic and achievable goals that align with the organization's overall sales objectives. 7. Accountability. They hold their team members accountable for their performance, and provide feedback that helps them take ownership of their progress and success. 8. Flexibility. Effective coaches and mentors should be able to adapt their coaching styles to meet the unique needs and learning styles of each team member. 9. Positive attitude. A positive attitude can go a long way in motivating team members to perform at their best. They should be able to stay positive and encourage their team members, even when faced with challenges. 10. Continuous learning. Sales best practices and technologies are constantly evolving. They should be committed to continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest industry trends and insights. What are the benefits of coaching and mentoring? The benefits are as follows. 1. Improved team performance. By providing guidance and support to individual team members, they can help their team members improve their performance, leading to better overall sales results. 2. Increased employee retention. Effective coaching and mentoring can help employees feel valued and supported, leading to increased job satisfaction and a greater likelihood of staying with the company. 3. Enhanced leadership skills. Coaching and mentoring require strong leadership skills, and the process of coaching and mentoring others can help them to improve their leadership skills. 4. Better communication skills. Coaching and mentoring involve effective communication, active listening, and empathy, all of which are critical skills for effective sales management. 5. Greater job satisfaction. Helping others to achieve their goals and improve their performance can be incredibly rewarding, leading to greater job satisfaction and a sense of purpose. 6. Improved problem-solving skills. Coaching and mentoring require them to think creatively and come up with solutions to help their team members overcome challenges. 7. Increased collaboration. Effective coaching and mentoring involve working closely with individual team members, building trust and rapport, and fostering a collaborative team environment. Overall, coaching and mentoring can help sales managers and senior sales management to improve their leadership skills. They can develop a stronger, more cohesive sales team and achieve better results for their organization. Sales managers can learn coaching and mentoring skills through a variety of methods. 1. Training and development programs. Many organizations offer training and development programs for sales managers and that include coaching and mentoring skills. These programs can provide a structured learning environment and help managers develop the specific skills they need to become effective coaches and mentors. 2. Mentorship and shadowing. They can benefit from observing and learning from experienced coaches and mentors. By shadowing a successful coach or mentor, managers can learn firsthand how to provide effective guidance and support to their team members. 3. Coaching from a professional coach. They can benefit from working with a professional coach themselves. This can provide them with personalized feedback and support, and help them develop the skills they need to become effective coaches and mentors. 4. Peer coaching and mentoring. They can learn from each other by engaging in peer coaching and mentoring. This involves working with other managers to provide feedback, support, and guidance to each other and develop their skills. 5. Self-directed learning. There are many resources available for self-directed learning on coaching and mentoring skills. They can read books, attend webinars, and access online courses to develop their skills at their own pace. By actively seeking out opportunities to learn and practice coaching and mentoring skills, sales managers can develop the skills they need to effectively guide and support their sales teams. When should sales managers feel it is necessarily to use coaching and mentoring? They should consider using coaching and mentoring in the following situations. 1. When onboarding new team members. New salespeople with little or no experience in sales need guidance and support to learn sales best practices and become effective salespeople. Experienced salespeople who are new to the company or the product line may need coaching to learn about the company culture and the specific product offering. Recent college graduates who are new to the workforce may need mentorship to help them adjust to the demands of a sales role. 2. When team members are struggling to meet their targets. Sales managers may need to provide coaching and support to team members who are struggling to meet their sales targets. If a team member has experienced a significant personal or professional setback, such as a change in personal circumstances or a dip in motivation, Coaching and mentoring can help get them back on track. When a team member is experiencing a slump in sales performance, coaching and mentoring can help identify and address any issues that may be affecting their performance. 3. When team members are seeking career development, sales managers can provide coaching and mentoring to team members who are seeking career development and advancement opportunities. If a team member expresses interest in a leadership position or a move to another department, coaching and mentoring can help them develop the skills and experience needed to make the transition. For team members who are new to the organization, coaching and mentoring can help them navigate the organization and identify career development opportunities. The do's and don'ts when conducting coaching and mentoring. The do's. 1. Create a safe and supportive environment. They should create a safe and supportive environment where team members feel comfortable sharing their challenges and opportunities for improvement. 2. Set clear goals and expectations. Clearly communicate the goals and expectations of the coaching and mentoring process to team members. Make sure that they understand how the process will help them achieve their goals. 3. Listen actively and provide constructive feedback. Listen actively to team members and provide constructive feedback that is specific, actionable, and relevant to their goals and needs. 4. Encourage self-reflection and self-discovery. Encourage team members to reflect on their performance and identify areas for improvement, and guide them to discover solutions to their challenges. 5. Follow up and monitor progress. Follow up with team members regularly to monitor their progress and provide additional support as needed. The don'ts. 1. Don't criticize or blame. Avoid criticizing or blaming team members for their performance. Instead, focus on providing constructive feedback that helps them improve. 2. Don't focus only on weaknesses. While it's important to identify areas for improvement, make sure to also focus on team members' strengths and help them leverage these strengths to achieve their goals. 3. Don't provide generic advice. Avoid providing generic advice that is not specific to team members' needs and goals. Instead, focus on providing tailored guidance and support. 4. Don't rush the process. Coaching and mentoring is a process that takes time, so don't rush the process or expect immediate results. Instead, be patient and supportive throughout the process. 5. Don't neglect the role of motivation. Coaching and mentoring are effective tools for providing guidance and support to team members. However, it is also essential to address their motivation and engagement to ensure they remain committed to their goals. By addressing motivation and engagement, team members are more likely to remain focused, productive, and satisfied in their roles. In summary, coaching and mentoring are essential for sales managers to support and guide their teams towards improved performance, goal achievement, and career development. Managers need skills such as active listening, feedback, and goal setting, and should create a positive and non-critical environment. They can learn these skills through training, mentorship, coaching, peer mentoring, and self-directed learning. These skills can be applied in onboarding, supporting struggling team members, and career development. Effective coaching and mentoring can help teams improve performance and achieve goals. This is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe if you find this video informative. Do help this channel to grow by buying us a coffee. We can produce more tutorials and progress together. Visit our website and check out our library. Have great day and happy coaching and mentoring.